Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, outside temperature gauge, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, braking assist, interval wipers. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, backup camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, iHeartRadio, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls,